Today's video guys, let's talk about One Piece card rarity. So if you're new to my channel guys, before we speak about that, please don't forget to subscribe and like our video so you'll get notified for our next postings. So in One Piece, there are several types of card rarity. So first is the common card. So if you can see guys on the right lower side of the card, you can see this small letter C here. So this means that this card is a common card. And also you can see here the versions guys from which this card came from. So this one came from OP10. This one came from OP10 batch. And this one is a common card. So the thing is, in One Piece guys, most of the cards were Japanese versions. So you really can't understand this unless you're a Japanese. So hopefully you can explain to me what is this card. So this one is a common card guys. And next in our list is the uncommon card. So if you can see here guys, there is a UC in that. Wait, let's zoom it out. Yeah, UC in the lower right section. So this one is uncommon. Okay, this card is uncommon card. Very nice card. And after uncommon, we have rare. So as you can see here, there is a R. There's a letter R there in the lower right. So this means that this card is rare. So next on our list is SR, which is super rare. So SR is super rare. So we have this SR card. So this is a Bony super rare card from EB02-015. So if you will search the name of the card also, you need to check that one. And I really love the artwork guys of the super rare cards. There's some special characters there which we don't know. Yeah, but this is a super rare card of Bony. Really nice. After super rare guys, I don't have the other type, which is SEC. So if you saw SEC here, it means special secret rare. So there's a secret rare guys, which is having a SEC character in the lower right portion of the card. So that one is more valuable, the secret rares. But nevertheless guys, there are two other cards that is also valuable. So if you can see here, there is another letter here guys, which is letter L. This means leader card. So this one is a leader card, and this is considered also as one of the most rare cards. So you can check also in the pricing of this one is much higher than the other common and uncommon cards. So Captain Kidd, very nice leader card. And lastly, which is not in the list of a normal, if you will search guys, the list of the One Piece rarity, card rarity, you will not see this one because this one is a letter P. So letter P guys means it's a promo card. So if it's promo card, usually it's only limited, and this is more pricey than the SR. So I will advise you will keep those cards with the P, with the promo card, because this is more expensive and you can sell this in a good price in the next succeeding years. So that's all guys for our video guys, for today's video. Thank you so much, and I'll be showing you the hits that we got on our first One Piece set that we bought. Really nice. I love One Piece cards. Insane artwork guys, as you can see here. It's super nice. So they're just new, unlike the the Pokemon, which is very already old in the card industry. However, these One Piece cards are really nice and really collectible. So yeah, just collect it and keep it for investment. Thank you so much. God bless. Please subscribe guys.